Should I read?
Yeah.
So, coordinate geometry 1, video number 4, example 4. I read the question. A, 1, minus 2, and C, 9, 2, are two given points. If the gradient of a line AP is 3, find the full column. 1, equation of AP. 2, equation of the line through C perpendicular to AP. 3, the coordinates of B, the point of intersection of the lines in 1 and 2. Four, the distances AB and DC. 5, the coordinates of the point D of the square ABCD. Now this is SSE, past WAEC question. This is WAEC SSE. WAEC SSE past question. Now, solution. Solution. One Roman figure. The question says we should find the equation of AP. That is the first question. How do you find the equation of AP? That means there is point P somewhere. Find we don't know the coordinate of that point P. So if we have, now this is, if I sketch this line, this is the end point A, 1, minus 2. Then there is point P somewhere, whose coordinates are not known. So let the coordinates be X and Y. We don't know the coordinate, but we know the slope. Slope of AP. Slope of AP is equal to 3. How do we know? We are given the slope of this line AP is given in the question to be 3. We are given, and we know the coordinate of one point on this line AP. So we use the point slope form, using the point slope form in the sense that we know the coordinate of one point on the line and we know the slope. So that is why we are using the point slope form of the equation. The equation of a straight line. The equation of a straight line, we have y minus y1 is equals to n into x minus x1. This is the point slope form, where x1, y1 are the coordinates of one point, and n is the slope. So it means now that y minus y1. y1 in this case is the y coordinate of point A. So that would be y minus 2 is equals to n, which is the given slope, 3, into x minus x1, which is 1 in this case. So it means minus is plus. Y plus 2 is equals to 3x minus 3, opening this bracket. So I have y equals 3x minus 3. Take plus 2 across. That will give you minus 2. So I have y equals 3x minus 5. This is the equation of line AP. I'm done. So I can call this one equation 1, just for reference. Call that one equation 1 for reference, because I'm going to need it. Now I go to 2 Roman figure. Roman figure 2. What is the question asking for in the 2 Roman figure? 2 Roman figure says we should find the equation of the line through C perpendicular to AP. Now we have a line through C perpendicular to AP. Now, I can show that information on the sketch. We have a line. They say this line is perpendicular to the line through C, perpendicular to AP. So we have A, and the coordinates are 1, minus 2, and then we have point P here again, whose coordinates are not known. Well, we have a line whose equation is not known, but that line is perpendicular to AP and it is passing through point C somewhere. This is point C, and the coordinates are of C, 9, 2. Coordinates of C are given in the question. Coordinates of C are given in the question. So we should find the equation. Maybe I can call this one, if I call this one line L1, and this can be line L2. Now, this line is perpendicular to AP, so meaning that this angle is 90 degrees. So, how do I find the equation of that line L2, which is perpendicular to AP? First, the slope of line AP is known. How do we know it? Because it is given in the question. Slope of AP. Slope of line AP is equal to 3 because we are given. Now, if the slope of AP is equal to 3, therefore, slope of the perpendicular line L2 will be minus 1 over 3. Because when two lines are perpendicular, the slope of one line is the negative reciprocal of the slope of the other. So, and this equation is passing through, this line is passing through point C. Therefore, equation of the perpendicular, this is the short form of the word perpendicular. The equation of the perpendicular line L2 passing through 2 point C, whose coordinates are 9, 2, is y. Again, we use a point slope form. Point slope in the sense that we know the coordinate of one point, which is point C, and we know the slope of that perpendicular line L2, which is minus 1/3. So this is y minus y1. Let me give you the formula first. Y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1, where x1 and y1 are the coordinate of one point on that perpendicular line L2 that we know. So, in this case, y1 is 2, x1 is 9, so y minus 2 is equals to m, which is minus 1/3, into x minus x1, which is 9 in this case. Now I can clear the fraction. I can clear the fraction by multiplying throughout by the denominator, which is 3. So clearly the fraction I'm going to have 3 into y minus 2 is equals to minus 1 into x minus 9. Therefore, 3y minus 6 is equals to minus x plus 9. So, 3y, take minus x across, it becomes plus. Take minus 6 across, it becomes plus 6. 6 plus 9. Therefore, x plus 3y is equals to 15. So, I can call this one equation 2. That is the answer for two Roman figure. That is the equation of the line that is perpendicular to AP. So that is that. Now, Roman figure 2, 3 Roman figure. We should find the coordinate of point B, the point of intersection of the lines in 1 and 2. We should find the point of intersection of this line in equation 1 and the line in equation 2. So, how do we find the point of intersection? That means the point of intersection of this line AP and that line L2 passing through C. So let that point be B. That is what they're saying. The point of intersection. That is the foot of the perpendicular here. Let it be B. That is what the question is saying. So I'm to find the coordinate of that point B. How do I find the coordinate of point B? I solve the equation of the two lines simultaneously. That will give me the coordinate of point B, the point of intersection. So, now, from equation 1 and 2, I am going to get, I'm going to solve equation 1 and 2 simultaneously. So, I am going to have x plus 3. Wherever I see y, I write 3x minus 5. 3 into 3x minus 5 is equals to 15. So, x plus 9x, 3 times 3x is 9x. X plus 9x minus 15 equals 15. X plus 9x is 10x. 10x is equals to 15 plus 15. Take minus 15 across. 10x equals 30, or x equals 3. Then how do I get the y coordinate? Substitute for x in equation 1. Substitute for x in equation 1. So I'm going to have y equals 3 into 3. 3 into 3 y is equal to 3 into 3 minus 5, or y equals 9 minus 5, which is equals to 4. Hence, point B is equals to 3, 4. These are my coordinates of point B. So we are done with 3 Roman figure. We go to 4 Roman figure. 4 Roman figure says that we should find Four Roman figure says we should find distances AB and BC. So it means this point B, the coordinate of this point B are 3, 4. Now, 4 Roman figure now. 4 Roman figure, we should find distances AB. We should find distances AB and BC. AB and BC. So I continue from here. Now, for Roman figure, distance AB, I use distance formula, AB. Using distance formula, I can calculate this distance AB. So that is going to be 1 minus 3 all square plus minus 2 minus 4. minus 2 minus 4, all square. So simplifying, I'm going to get that is minus 2 square plus minus 6 square. So distance AB now is equals to minus 2 square is 4 plus minus 6 square is 36, which is the root of 40. So AB is equal to the root of 40 is 4 times 10, and that is the root of 4 times the root of 10, and that is 2 root 10. That is my AB, 2 root 10 units. 2 root 10 units. Therefore, AB is equal to 2 root 10 units. Then I should also find BC. I am to find the length of BC. Unit distance formula again, that is BC. Distance BC is the root of 3 minus 9. 3 minus 9 square plus 4 minus 2 square. 4 minus 2 square. So this is equals to minus 6 all square plus 2 square. And that is 36 plus 4. So BC is equals to the root of 40, which is 2 root 10 units also. So that is that. Then 5 Roman figure. The coordinates of the point D of the square ABC. The coordinate of the point D of the square ABCD. I can clear this side. So, I should find the coordinate of point D of the square ABCD. So what I do here, now, even from our answer to 4 Roman figure, we can see that AB is 2 root 10 units. BC is also 2 root 10 units, which it has already proved the shape to be a square. Since the length, both the length and the width are equal. So it means that geometric figure is a square. So I treat it as such. Now in the Cartesian coordinate system, this is a square ABCD. So I have, now I sketch a square. I'm not drawing the diagram to scale, it's just an approximation. So, I have a square. Now, I can have, my A can be here, A, 1 minus 2, B, 3, 4, C, that is C, 9, 2, D. I don't know D, so let it be XY. That is the xy. That is my point D. That is the xy. Now, since ABCD is a square, then the opposite sides are equal. Then DC is equals to AB. That is opposite sides of a square. The opposite sides of a square are equal. So now, if that is the case, it means that x minus 9 or 9 minus x. So this means that 9 minus x. This 9 minus x, that is along the x-axis, is equals to this 3 minus 1. This is 3 minus 1. So this means that minus x, 9 minus x is equals to 2. Or minus x is equals to 2 minus 9. Take 9 across. So I have x equals, which is equals to minus 7 here. Therefore, x equals plus 7. Minus, divide through up, I multiply through up by minus side. So x is equals to 7. Also, along the y-axis, y minus 2 is equals to 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4. So y plus 2 is equals to minus 2. So y equals minus 2, which is equals to minus 4. It is equals to minus 4. Therefore, point D is equals to 7, minus 4. These are my answers. I'm done.